What's up, YouTube? What's up, everybody? Now, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. If you're already here, man, thank you for being a subscriber, daily viewer. I love y'all. Now, I just want to get straight into the chase. Like, a lot of y'all noticed I haven't been posting my car at all on my channel or on my YouTube. I mean, on my Instagram, on my YouTube. Now, that's because I got in a bad car wreck. Well, I ain't gonna say bad because I'm still here. I'm still alive, right? But I say bad in the sense that was my content. That was my channel was kind of revolved around my car, me doing things around my car. That was my life, really. Car was my life, to be honest. But so a big part of me, crashed with my car. When I see my car how it was, it crashed. But basically, at the end of the day, though, it's my fault. I'm not finna go in too much detail because I'm still gotta go to court on this and stuff like that. So, some guy hands now. But anyways, I was involved in a little chase. I end up wrecking my car, right? I'm not gonna, like I said, I'm not trying to speak too much in this video. But anyways, all you need to know is I got in a little or whatever. I wrecked my car, right? So, but basically, I'm finna explain what happened coming off the unwrap for me wrecking my car. So, everything was good, right? I had a little patch, a little patch of dirt, got a little squiggly, calmed it down, started to get off the exit, got off the worst exit I could possibly get off of, y'all. Listen, bro, it was either, when I got off the exit, it was either I could go left, it was like this. It was like a little hump, a little down, and as soon as it went down, it was either left or right. And then it was a guardrail, a ditch with trees and shit, the woods. I'm in Georgia. So, anyways, when I was coming down, I didn't know that the lights and everything was gonna be right there. I'm thinking, okay, I got a little time to slow down and stop the turn, right? No, that was not the case. It was like 6 cars to my left, bro, at the red light. So, and there was no cars like to my right because it was only 2 lanes. So I'm like, fuck. So I'm going way too fast. So I know my initial, I wanted to turn left when I got off, but I can't do that. So now I gotta go right. But I'm going too fast. So now I'm trying to slow down. In the process of me slowing down, listen, guys, never slam on your brakes. But listen, okay, I know that I know never slam on your brakes. But I'm telling you guys this. But in the heat of the moment, you're gonna want to slam on your brakes. You're gonna want to. It's just. You're just gonna do it, okay? That's a big no-no, right? So I messed up right there. I slammed on the brakes. Once I noticed I wasn't gonna make it, I was like, oh shit. Slammed on the brakes, right? Car starts. It slowed down. I slowed down good enough, but it is. Brakes locked up on me, bro. Like brakes locked up on me. Steering wheel locked up, fam. Like, bro, it was like I had a whole 10 seconds to like. Know I was finna crash, bro. Like, it was a whole 10 seconds, like, yeah, I'm not gonna make it. I'm done. Like, I need to crash somewhere safe. Like, that was my main. Once I realized that I couldn't turn, my brakes locked up. Then it was just like, okay, I already know I'm finna crash. I need to get ready for this crash. And then it was like, I need to crash right. Like, I aimed at a kind of good spot where I thought it was. I hit the guardrail instead of hitting the tree. I was really trying to aim in the middle of the tree and the guardrail, but I ended up hitting the guardrail. Went down the ditch, hit the tree, but totaled the car. But you feel me? I was alright, a little dazed. Went to the hospital, got checked out. You feel me? Then I had to turn myself in, shit like that. So right now I'm facing that charge right now. So facing a couple, but it's in God's hands. You feel me? So I just thank God I'm out. You feel me? I don't gotta sit and wait for my court date, man. Like, I was able to bond out. At least they gave me a bond, you know what I'm saying? These niggas that bond out, I'm able to do this video with y'all and talk and, be in my room, breathe some fresh air, feel me? So, that's good. But, yeah, man, so, oh, man, I done wrecked the car, man. I done told the car, making a dumb decision. But... it hurt, I'm hurting, but I already know I'm gonna come back from this, and I'm gonna come back harder, y'all. And that's the thing, bro. I'm finna come back hard, bro. Like, my next vehicle is gonna be crazy, fam. Like, it ain't gonna be the new. It ain't gonna be no 2020 shit, no 2023 shit. Obviously, I ain't got the bread for that. You feel me? But it's gonna be something real nice, real something I could make a lot of content with. Like the 5.7, I could make content with. It wasn't a lot of content out there. But the mods, how much money I had to pay for that car to make fast, like it was ridiculous. You know, so, but this next car I've been thinking about, I'm gonna do another video on that, about the cars I've been thinking about getting next, right? So, this car finna be crazy, bro. Like, but yeah, man, I fucking crashed, bro. Like, crashed the whip, man. Like, I'm gonna post pictures. I'm gonna also be uploading, like, the video clips and little pictures of it from the crash and shit. And when I went to go to the tow yard. But, yeah, man, it's not bad, though. Like, the exterior not too bad, but it's really, like, underneath the car, the frame work, like all that frame is done. Like it's all like the whole. Like I went and looked at the engine bay. The whole engine bay is pushed back like 3 inches. You know, so like it messed up the whole frame of the car. Like really not the aesthetics. The aesthetics is kind of messed up. But it's really that frame. But and the frame is what really gonna cost you the most money. So you know, don't crash. You know, be where you're surrounding, shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all be safe out here, man. Like, that's just just a little mess. I just want to tell everybody, be safe. It's serious, you feel me? Once you feel me? Once that car get loose, get it loose. You feel me? But, but I just been sitting here like, man, I gotta come back harder, bro. I just been trying to plot. I just been plotting, really. So, getting back on my feet. So, I'm definitely gonna be dropping more videos. It's not gonna be with the 5.7, but I'm gonna be dropping a lot of hot topic videos, giving my opinion on shit. I just dropped one not long ago and it did it pretty good, so I think I might stick with that flow. I feel like people like to hear my opinion. I just give an honest opinion. I don't fucking, you know how people be like, oh yeah, I don't know if you should or shouldn't. No, I'm gonna tell you how I feel. If I feel like you should get it, I feel like you should get it, but that's my opinion. You feel me? I don't understand how people get their opinion, but then they're so neutral. Like, so your opinion is being neutral. That's really your opinion. Like, motherfucker, you should never make the video. Like, but, yeah, man. So, that's really all I want. I'm going to try to keep this video. It's not really much to talk about. If y'all want more in depth, you're going to have to wait until my situation is fully cleared. But, for right now, that's all I'm going to give to y'all. That's all I can really talk about. Yeah, man, so just be on the lookout for more videos. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. I'm out.
Doing donuts in the Hellcat, they count that as a crime.